January 28th, 2021, Daily Math Review number 2. Store A sells 6 totes, which are bags, for $53.70. Store B sells 8 of the same totes for $71.60. Which store sells the totes for a lower unit price? So we're going to find unit price. Yay, unit price. All right, now, store A. Let's see here. Store A sells 6 totes for $53.70. Remember, money on top, money on top. So $53.70. And that's going to be for 6 totes. So how much is it for 1 tote? Well, we're going to divide. We're just going to do $53.70 divided by 6. And when we get that, all right, $53.70 divided by 6 is going to be $8.95. Whoa. I want to move. Come on. Whoa. Well, okay. That's weird. Okay, sorry. $8.95. Okay, so that's for 1 tote for store A. Let's look at store B. Store B sells 8 of the same totes for $71.60. So $71.60 divided by 8 totes. So we're trying to figure out for 1 tote how much it is. So we're just going to divide. So $71.60 divided by 8 is going to be $8.95. So guess what? They both are for the same price. Both stores sell them for the same price. So, which store sells them for lower unit price? Neither. Both stores sell them for the same price. So that's all your answers. So sometimes they could be a little tricky and tell you, like, oh, which one? Well, in this case, both of them are the same price. So all you have to say is both. That's it. Great job.